Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's Progress Circle block in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. So to get started, let's go ahead and open up a brand new blank page to look at this block on its own. To do that, there's a couple ways. The first is if you're logged in anywhere on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Simply hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in and ended up on your dashboard, simply hover over onto your left-hand sidebar down to Pages and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page. Once we're here, just a few housekeeping items. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings, and this is where all of our settings to configure and toggle for our block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title. Oops. Just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's go ahead and add the block itself. There's this blue button top left corner called a block inserter. Click on that and we can either search for the block or scroll down. Since Stackable is top of list, we don't have to go down too far. It is right here, Progress Circle. Okay, drag and drop that into our workspace. And we can close up the block inserter to give ourselves some more room to work with. Now, the parent block is Progress Circle. Let's go and take a look at the settings one by one. Content alignment, just the usual. Our paddings and margins, our spacing. Next, we have style. We can change what amount of progress we have, right, with the decimal places and everything. 4.95, right? But it doesn't really matter too much up until 100. If we try to put 110, it doesn't really matter, right? And then we can also change our maximum progress. So if 50 is our limit, 50.3, right? That's probably our maximum, right? And we can it adjusts itself accordingly, according to proportion. Next, we can change the size, we can change the thickness, right? We can change the bar color, we can change the background color. So I'll make this one like light green, and then probably more than, okay. And we can make it rounded, right? We can also animate it, and we'll only see this once we have the live site. We can change the label, right? So the prefix can be dollars, postfix can be right, and we can also change our typography for this, so we can change the font that we're using. Okay, we can also change the font size, the text color, just the usual. Let's make it deep blue, and we can add a background to the whole block, and then we can put a border radius on it and some border lines if we wanted to. Okay, so there's our progress circle. Let's go ahead and click on Publish to save it and take a look at it on our live site. Okay, simply click on View Page, and this is how our progress circle in Stackable looks like. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.